Here's a job that's not for everyone. An 8-month trip to Mars, the red planet. But there's one catch, and it's a big one. You only get a one-way ticket. That means they're looking for people willing to die on Mars. Let's bring in our Shannon Martin with more on this story. Shannon, this sounds like a bizarre plan.
Yes, bizarre. Daunting or exciting? I guess you have to decide for yourself and really what your taste is. If you're really enthusiastic and you're okay with potentially losing your life on Mars or ending your life, this could be the adventure for you. This mission comes to us courtesy of a Dutch businessman, Bas Lansdorp. He says he's already heard from 8,000 people ready to sign up. If this sounds all like a bit of a reality show to you, you're on the right track. He wants to fund this entire mission by setting up a Big Brother style reality show and film these people carrying out life on Mars. So you'll have to suit up in special suits. That's to deal with extreme temperatures, the unforgiving atmosphere, and harmful radiation. And you also have to have several key characteristics. So here's more from the man with the plan.
They need to be the kind of people that are at their best when things are at their worst. They need to be utterly dependable. They need to know when to lead, and they need to know when to follow. They need to be people that are very good in groups. All the other skills, like the engineering skills, the medical skills, and the skills to grow your own food, we can teach them that because we will train them for 8 years before they depart.
8 years of training. He goes on to say, basically, if you're the kind of person who could survive on a desert island, perhaps this is for you.
What? I feel like you're going to tell me this is a joke, and it's not. You said 8,000 people have responded?
Yes, they're ready to go.
Wow.
And we are hearing from people on CBC.ca. Quite a mix, actually, I have to tell you. I'm a little surprised. Let's share with you some of the comments. Nearly 500 people, a lot of them saying, hey, sign me up. If I can go, I would. So this is coming from a viewer in Peterborough. I wish I was younger because I think this would be so excited. Imagine exploring a whole new planet and watching the developments over the course of your lifetime. On the other side of the coin, though, we heard from somebody in central Ontario. What an utterly drab place to live. Thanks, but no thanks. Any road trip on that planet would look the same. Clean up our act a little on this planet because it's such a beautiful place to live. Good point there. So we're asking you, we want to hear your thoughts on this story. Send us a note at pov@cbc.ca. Would you be willing to take part in a one-way mission to Mars? Christine, I think I already know how you feel on
Yeah,
this
how
one.
do you feel, Shannon?
Yeah, no, I'm good. I like it here. Right
Yeah,
here.
no, I'm good, yeah. Thanks so much, Shannon.
You're welcome.